Welcome to this channel and my name is Balakrishna. Today I am going to do a test of mic test of Jabra Evolve 40 headset, which is an excellent headset. I have already done an unboxing in this channel. You can go and see if you want to have a look. And today I am not going to do unboxing, but I am going to do a mic test. Believe me guys, this is an excellent superb mic because this cancels the noise cancellation of background to zero level. Not only this guys, I will show you the difference between mobile microphone voice and playing the background sound over here. Already know. At last guys, I will also try to play the background noise here, background some sound, so that you will come to know whether which mic cancels the background noise. So let's start today's video guys. This is the this is the Jabra mic guys. You can have a look here. Excellent. This is a logo also, and this is the mic. So I will show you very shortly. And this is a wire. It comes with 3.5 headset jack, and also this is a controller guys, which it comes with this with the USB port. I will show you how to use this in a short while. And I have with me the Boya mic as well. So I'll be using in the mobile. I'm recording this video through the mobile guys, Honor 20, and this is the Boya mic. So until now, whatever talking with you guys, this was the internal microphone of my smartphone, nothing but Honor 20. So you can judge, how is the quality. Now with this mobile microphone, I will play the background music. Now you can see it. See this background music. This is my one video guys about the visa. It is playing here, US visa. Now you can see whether you are able to hear only my voice or in the background mic voice also. I will keep quiet for a second. So you got some idea, right? So it's I don't know, I will play the video later. I think you got some idea that whether you captured this voice or not. Let me replay it again. Can you see this? So you tell me whether you are able to hear background noise or not. Okay, I think you are able to hear. So I'll mute it. I'm going to use the Boya mic front. So just plugging in, I'll show you. So anyways, I'm just plugging in here because my phone does not have the 3.5 jack. It's a USB-C port. So I'm going to plug in this right now. Yeah, and here is the mic, external mic of Boya mic guys. Now you can see you are talking, I'm sorry, you are hearing this voice from the Boya mic. So actually Boya mic, which is external, we cannot keep very near. The voice will not be clear. Actually we plug it here guys, somewhere here. Now you can see you can know how is the quality of Boya mic. Usually the Boya mic is very good quality. This is mainly for for video recording or something. Only problem is it will also take over the capture the background noise. So the proof is here. I am just switching on the background my laptop, which is my one video. So I really don't know whether you are able to hear that video or not. So I'll pause here for 2 seconds myself. So now I don't know whether you are able to hear or not. So this video is being recorded with the Boya mic, and I am talking as well simultaneously, and this video also is playing back. So you decide whether you are able to hear both the voice, my voice and background, or only my voice. You decide and let me know in the comments how it is. Now I am going to stop this video guys, this clip, and I will start with the actual using the Jabra Evolve 40. So currently it is recorded with being recorded with the microphone of the Honor 20 smartphone. I am going to switch on guys. So I have not yet plugged in. I am going to plug in now. See this is C port, my converter. Now I am switching on this to the mobile phone. Okay. So guys, now we are on Jabra 40. So now you let me know how is the clarity. Guys, the thing to note here is if the microphone is Jabra 40 microphone is near the mouth, then only record here. If I take this like this, it won't record. Either it will be very less guys, you are not able to hear. I don't know if you are able to hear, or it will not record at all. See, I'm just getting down. So guys, you would have noticed that when I have taken up here, when I have taken this notch up, you would have not heard number one, or you would have heard very less, because it is a noise cancellation and it works only if it is near the mouth. Now guys, this is switched on. I am using the what do you call this Boya mic. Okay, I am switching on the background noise now, background my one video. So guys, now video is playing, I am also talking. You let me know in comments whether you are able to hear only my voice, or you are able to hear even the laptop background voice. Now I'll pause myself for 2 seconds. So did you hear any voice from the background? I don't know, you would have not heard. If at all you would have heard, you would have heard very little, because the reason is it is 2 feet distance. Usually when people make noise or talking, they will be a little bit 4 or 5 feet away. Now what I'll do, I will keep this mic, I will keep on talking, and I will just remove this mic and keep aside. Maybe just near me. Guys, I just kept my mic just under the this tripod, where I can say just below this smartphone. So, and this also is being recorded. So you tell me whether you're able to hear or not. I think you're able to hear very less. Again, I'll put on my mic. So again, I put on my mic, guys. So I am talking to you. I know that when the mouthpiece is very near, only you can hear my voice, not the background. When I kept this down, when I kept this down, you will be heard. I think both the voice little. Now what I'll do, I'll keep this laptop which is already running a little far away. Then you tell me with the full sound, guys. See, I'll it's 100% sound volume. You can see this. I'm taking near the mouthpiece, so you are able to hear the sound, right? Now I'll just keep this laptop which is on. Sound is there background. I keep a little bit here. You tell me whether you are getting a sound or not. Guys, I kept the laptop on with the video playing. Just left hand side here. Just you can see this, right? Just down of the ear. Okay, upside down. I mean, you let me know if you are able to hear or not. I'm sure that you are not being here. Let me check once again, and then I'll tell you the output. I know how this mic works, Zabra, and I checked that when a little bit far away is there, let's say 4 or 5 feet, you won't be hearing anything. And if somebody makes noise background, maybe around 2 or 3 feet, you will hear little bit. On the contrary, when you're talking to somebody on the call or official call or something, even though people make noise, whatever little more also, the other person will hear exactly very clearly. That little bit background noise will not make any difference. But if you check with me with the which I recorded through the microphone of mobile or Boya mic, lot of sound it was making, like it disturbs other persons. So guys, let me tell you one thing now. Thing is, this mic I can use for any smartphone also, guys, not only for video recording. When I'm talking to someone, okay, in a busy place, or in restaurants, or in a house terrace where a lot of noise is there, anywhere, when you talk on mobile phone, okay, this is the normal basic phone, I'm just showing us an example. The other person will get a lot of background noise as well, guys. But when you use this what do you call this, Zabra headset with mic, you can use it with any phone. You don't require any worrying about any smartphone will capture this external mic or not, etc. So nothing, like just insert directly, it'll start working perfectly. So I was using this mic, this mobile, for some emergency purpose. Even the smartphone, guys, believe me, when I'm talking with the smartphone, whether with the mic or without mic, the other person will not have any problem, because voice quality of the mic nowadays in the smartphone is very good. But they will have a lot of background noise. But if I'm using smartphone with this mic and talk to somebody, they won't get any background noise. However, if I talk with this phone directly with somebody, since this very low, basic mobile, the mic is very low quality, and they won't hear clear voice, and also it captures a lot of background noise. But guys, when I'm using Zabra mic with this mobile, which has got 3.5 jack, guys, believe me, other person will not be able to understand or detect whether what kind of mobile you are using. Like they must be thinking that you are using the high quality mobile. Also, if anything background noise is there, it doesn't capture at all. When I was I used to usually use this mic with this mobile whenever I'm talking, if other mobile is not available, then people were not complaining. One day what happened, I was just keeping this aside into the laptop, and I was talking with this mobile directly, and they were talking like, is there any problem with the network, some problem in the throat? Then I said no. Then I realized that I was talking directly on this phone. So that means it is very worth, guys. In USD, if you compare, it is about $170, and in India it is 11,500 rupees. And initially I thought, so costly mic, I don't know, it was a question mark. But after using it, I came to know the worth of this Jabra mic, guys. So guys, I'm not publicizing this Jabra mic, nor I'm having an affiliate link here. You can check in the description, nothing. I'm just giving my opinion because I really like it, and I'm happy with this mic, guys. Okay, this serves my purpose, because work from home, when a lot of people, kids, so they make noise in house and playing. So when we have a important meeting, so we cannot have this background noise. So this really plays a vital role and important role. Now last point of this video, guys, what is this controller? Let's look into this also. This controller, guys, the thing is, we will insert this in USB port of laptop or computer, and here 3.5 jack is there. Exactly, we will insert here, and there's a controller here. Like if you're making a call, we can pick up also call here, like I'm talking about the laptop voice calls or video calls, and here you can mute it and you can increase the volume and decrease the volume, guys. And this is the pause button. I'll show you very clearly now, just a moment, and I will show you the demo as well. A mic from my smartphone which is recording my video, so you won't hear any voice from the mic now, directly is from the smartphone. I just want to show you that here, like you need to insert first the controller, which is this, and you can insert anywhere. So let's say you can insert here. I have inserted here, and see it already detected. You can see here, and you can see, guys, here light already gone. Once you insert, you can switch off this also. See, you can see blue or red. And also, guys, now second thing is, to work that, we have to insert 3.5 jack here. Okay, so ready. So guys, what happen now if I make any of the calls? Okay, so directly any calls I can directly talk from this. I can pick up from this. See, I can pause here, or I can pick up here. So green button pick up. I can mute here. Red button is mute. Okay, or I can increase the volume here. Okay, you can see here, right? It's increasing. I can decrease the volume here. You can see the decreasing, right? So you can see the decreasing. Sorry if you are not able to see. And what I'm trying to see is video. I can listen songs or any thing also, guys. It's very excellent is coming. So I have muted it. Let me increase. So see here, excellent, guys. So perfect it is. So I just want to mention one more thing here. Let me remove this. Let me mention only last point which you should know. Actually, I don't think anybody in this video, YouTube or somewhere you will find, guys. When you want to listen any songs or listen any music, I would suggest you directly plug in this into your smartphone or your laptop or computer. You will get very good bass, very good music, everything excellent, guys. If you are using through this, okay, if you are using this controller to listen songs or something, you will not get much effect, guys, because it will reduce little bit. Because, and making any calls, there is no compromise. Excellent will be their calls and other things, but for listening songs, this controller is not very good. You don't have to use the controller, because you will get the difference. If you have a Jabra mic and headset, you can try yourself. Any music, bass music or something, with this you will not like it. Use directly 3.5 jack in your laptop or smartphone. You will really like it. However, if you want to make calls, either you insert this directly or through controller. It is up to you. Okay, I usually don't use the controller. I usually directly use that. So over the period of time, if I think that my mobile phones or the laptop 3.5 jack is not working, then I'll be using this USB port. So guys, this is what. So I hope you like this video and you got the comparison of the normal mic, normal microphone on Jabra, and I hope you really like the noise cancellation by this Jabra, and I hope you are very satisfied and happy. At least I am satisfied. So what do you think about this Jabra, guys? Let me know in comment, and in case if you like this video and it has helped you to identify the noise cancellation, how much cancel the background noise, like button, like, and in case if somebody is looking to buy this Jabra mic, share with them. And in case if you are new to this channel, I do request you to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell, because at times I keep on uploading the technical videos. So until then, be safe, take care, and see you in next video.